Ciao a tutti and welcome to the second episode of Giorgia's cookbook. Today we will be preparing la Parmigiana di Melanzane, eggplant parmesan. This is a very famous dish here in Sorrento, but you need to know that there is not only one way of preparing la Parmigiana di Melanzane. Every family has its own way of preparing it, and there is also a sort of competition among all the families for who prepares the best Parmigiana di Melanzane. So today I will teach you how to prepare the eggplant parmesan according to my family's recipe. Okay, for this recipe you will need salsa di pomodoro, mozzarella, basilico, melanzane, sale, parmigiano e olio. First of all, we need to peel the eggplants.
Come mai? Ma perché? In cantina non ci vengo mai. Bello questo vino!
Once you have peeled the eggplant, you need to cut it into slices, into thin slices.
Che bontà, ma che bontà! Ma che gustino!
Once you have sliced all the eggplants, now grab a strainer and start layering all the slices. For each layer, you need to cover the slices with salt, like this, look. The salt helps the eggplants lose their bitter taste and also the excess water.
Cucchiaino? Fai assaggiare un pochettino, ma che bontà! Ma che bontà! Ma che cos'è questa robina qua? Ma che bontà, ma che bontà! Ma che gustino questa roba qua! Ma che bontà, ma che bontà!
Once you have layered all the slices, we need to put a weight on it so that the eggplants squeeze and lose the excess water. So, for example, I just took a pan with full of water, so that is pretty heavy. Okay, here we go. And now we wait for almost 1 hour. Okay. After 1 hour, you should see the plate full of this brownish water, and this means that the eggplants are ready to be fried. Before we fry the eggplants, we need to wash them. And then we need to dry them a little bit before we fry them. Now let's start frying the eggplants. Okay, now all the ingredients are ready. So we have the fried eggplants, our tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese and parmesan, plus the basil. So we start layering our parmigiana. First, we take just one spoon of tomato sauce and we put it on the bottom of our tray, just that the eggplants don't stick to the bottom. Do you remember? It's the same procedure we used for the tiramisu, basically. So, first layer of eggplants.
Ma perché? Come mai? Ma perché? In cantina non ci vengo mai. Bello questo vino! Vino di una volta! Fai assaggiare un goccettino, ma che bontà! Ma che bontà!
Okay, now that the first layer is complete, we put some tomato sauce on top.
Ma che cos'è questa robina qua? Ma che
And then the mozzarella cheese.
No!
And some leaves of basilico.
Mai questa robina qua?
And we start again with the second layer of eggplants. Now, the first layer was vertical. We put the eggplants vertically. For the second layer, we need to put the eggplants, the slices of eggplants, horizontally, so that it holds better when you cut it into pieces.
Dammi un cucchiaino? Fai assaggiare un pochettino, ma che bontà! Ma che bontà! Ma che cos'è questa robina qua? Ma che bontà, ma che bontà! Ma che gustino questa roba qua! Ma che bontà, ma che bontà! Ma che cos'è questa robina qua? Ma che bontà, ma che bontà! Ma che gustino
Okay, so last layer of tomato sauce.
Olivia? No? Ma che cosa sarà mai questa robina qua? Cacca.
Some Parmesan cheese on top. And the basil. Our Parmigiana is ready and we need to put it in the oven for at least 40 minutes. Here we go, our Parmigiana is finally ready, and I see you all for the next episode of Giorgia's cookbook, and buon appetito!
Dammi un cucchiaino, fai assaggiare un pochettino, ma che bontà, ma che bontà, ma che cos'è?